Yeah, ants in the mailbox. So we got to spray. I think he's spraying rat defense.
Don't matter.
He said it don't matter. Okay. Y'all might not want to use this at home, but hi guys, how you guys doing? It's Synolve again. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join me on Patreon so that we can keep Black media going, so we can keep this going and the conversation going. Be sure to like me on Facebook and join me on Instagram and Twitter as well at Synolve. And take a look and hop on over to my website at synolve.com and join my newsletter so that we can stay connected. Okay? All right. Okay, I have this pot that sits outside, and I'm gonna bring it back inside. But I'm going to plant these Easter lilies, and so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna plant one in here, and I gotta figure out when I'm gonna plant the other one. Thinking about planting it in here, so we'll see. Can y'all see that pot? Or did I? Yeah. Think about planting it in there. So I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, in that one. So right now we're just gonna work on this first one first. And I got a lot of dirt sitting over here, so I'm gonna dump this dirt in here. So these are the Easter lilies. See them? Got them for $1.99 from Kroger. So, and I think they're pretty much house plants. At least that's what I read. So I got some dirt in pots that I just got. I had a I had a let's see if I can see y'all. Yeah, okay. I had a mother's tongue, and I didn't know how to split it, and I should not have split it. I didn't know it all went together. So I'm now just gonna use all the dirt from all these little pots I had where I put the mother's tongue, because I didn't know what I was doing. I should have researched it before I split it. And see, it's just dirt. And all the plants inside have just died because I didn't know what I was doing. Should have left it alone. I didn't know that the mother's tongue needs all those little pieces to survive. So I'm just filling the buckets up with dirt. And we'll put her in there. I hope that's enough dirt. So I have two of them. So I'll put this one in there. And just see how she goes, y'all. Yeah, she goes. May need some more dirt. I think I may have another big pot somewhere. We'll see. Okay, so that's one. That's looking kind of pretty. Alright, and then this one, for now, I'm just going to put it in this pot right here. Okay? There it is. there it is. Okay. So there they are. I'll show them to you so you can see them. Let's see. There's that one. There they are. And so that's how they're going to be potted. And I'm going to take them inside somewhere, but I think I'm going to leave them out overnight because it's going to rain. So I'll let them get watered and get settled, and then I'll bring them in. And see how they do tomorrow. But they are inside plants, but it's kind of cool out. I really wanted my patio, we haven't gotten this far yet. As you can see, we've been working on the front. We haven't made it to the back, but I picked this up off curbside, this tree, and I really want that pot. So alright, so yeah, we picked this up curbside, so I really want this pot. So I gotta figure out how to get this big old tree out of this pot, and then I'll use it for something. So anyway, it's coming along, coming together, step at a time. Got ants in the mailbox, so we got to spray. I think he's spraying rat defense.
Don't matter.
He said it don't matter. Okay, y'all might not want to use this at home, but he's gonna kill it. I don't know, he's gonna kill the ants or not. Hubby's sprinkling some, getting a phone call, but he's sprinkling some of this, I would say the name, but Diatomaceous Earth. So he's sprinkling some of that down there because after I planted all my flowers, I bought all my flowers. It's a safer brand. We get it at Lowe's, maybe Home Depot might have it too, but yeah, or any store for plants or stuff. Walmart might even have it, but you can order online. But I had to dig up my flower bed that hubby did in front of my mailbox after I planted them. You can see there's my mailbox. But as you can see, well, we had ants, really bad ant problem. And I don't know if they were termites or ants. And so now, hubby has taken up the flower bed. He's going to build me another one. But first, we're going to let these sit here. I don't know if you can see them. They're so small, crawling, still in the mailbox. But we're just going to, I don't know if you can see him or not, crawling. Anyway, we're just going to sprinkle this down, give it a few days, and then we can come back and replant. So there are some of my flowers that were in there. So I had pretty flowers. Maybe about $10 worth of flowers in there. So now I got to redo my flowers. But I was just going to show you what he did. He took it up. Hubby's awesome. I love him. He's so smart. But he, when he saw these, he took it up and put it here so the garbage people would get it. but and broke it apart. So I just don't know what's happening. I don't know. This is our first year having any ants. But you know, they're, you know, it's outside. You're gonna have ants, you're gonna have stuff. But so we took it up now, and then he says he'll build me another one, so I'm happy about that. And yeah, this is the lemongrass that we had from another area. It was also covered in ants, so ants are pretty bad this year. So now he'll build me another one. I'll have to go get some more dollar things. My son's up there talking to his dad, so he's gone in the house now. I think he knows when I'm videotaping him, so he's gone back in the house. But anyway, yeah. So, oh, there he is. Maybe I can get him on camera. Nah, he's gone again. All right, I tried. Anyway, he hates me on camera. So, yeah. So this is what we're doing. Hubby did this early this morning while everybody was asleep. You know, that's just a real man. You know what I'm saying? This is a real man. I love it. All right, y'all. So let me get off here and go do what I got to do this morning. I got homework. Do a final do. I would show y'all how I look, but I look horrible. So I look real bad today. I gotta wash my hair, so I got it. A lot of coconut oil on it. So, and I promise not to come on camera looking crazy anymore. I ain't doing that. So, all right. Well, hope you guys are well, and I'll see y'all a little bit later. Ooh, there he is in his element, the sun. Let's see, ant spray. He's like, "Are you videotaping me?" Look how handsome he is. It's like his dad. There they are in their element. Son and father. I gave that. Alright. He won't stay out there if I keep videotaping. Alright, but y'all saw him on camera. He does exist. He's not just a unicorn. He's a real person. Alright, see you guys a little bit later. Okay, hubby also sprayed some Raid ant killer. So, I think it's Raid in the big can that we get from Lowe's. So I'll have to show y'all that. I might have already showed you on another video, but I'll at least take a picture so y'all can see it. And I'll take a picture of the Diatomaceous Earth. Alright, let me put that in there. Y'all can see how wet it is where it's been sprayed. So people are looking at me, so I'm gonna go in because my hair is looking horrible, but I'm getting ready to wash it. Well, after I do my homework. So, all right, guys, it's finals week for me at Walden. I never told y'all about that, have I? I'm working on a master's in communications. Oh, I have. All right, there you go. All right, so we use our wheelbarrow, which I found curbside when stuff is heavy. So this pot is pretty heavy. And, you know, last night I had it on the back patio. So now we're going to put it in here. And that'll get some of the empty spaces. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to, I think, put it right here. Hubby's going to help me. So he's heavy. So that's that. It's pretty right there. Okay. So that's that one. And then we'll have to take this one in front somewhere and I'll see what we do with it. And then we're going to put this one here.
You'll put it between the trees?
We're going to put it between the trees. Trying to figure out if we're just going to leave it in the pot or dig a hole. I got a hole, you got a hole, baby. I got a hole, you got a hole, baby. I don't know, what do y'all think? Let's see. What do you think? Planter? Or dig it? Because I mean, I don't know if the... Yeah. That's the problem. It's them rocks.
What's the problem?
It's the roots. I think we need a planter. You know what I mean?
Oh, you think it needs to go in a little planter box?
Yeah, I think it needs to go in a planter box. That's what I think. There's one you want to take that one and just use it for now. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm country. A little bit country, a little bit rock and roll. Okay, so we put them in the planter box. Hubby built this planter box for me because I want, for the mosquito plants, I want to put one right there and one right there. So he had built one. So what I'm going to do, I just moved it and put it right there for right now in that planter box, and we'll see how it goes. And then good, how you doing?
He's trying to find something to do.
Always. I don't know if this will work or not, but let's see. Alright, so my neighbor gives me poinsettias every year. I live next door, and he's just real nice. So this year I saw where a man, saw a news story where a man, when his wife died, he got a lot, he was given a lot of poinsettias, and so and that was her favorite plant. And then so every year now he buys a poinsettia, and most of the poinsettias are from when she died about 5 or 10 years ago. So I was like, I always throw these away, but this year I thought if he gives me one, I'll try to save it. So that's what I'm going to do, just try to save it. And that's what I'm going to do. I think it has a little life. So see, there's one little life, still some grain. So I'm just going to fill this with dirt. I should have the big shovel, because this is my dirt over here in our compost pile. So yeah, I'm just going to dig some of this dirt up and fill my pot. So I'm not sure if this will be able to be on camera, because as you can see, I'm filming with one hand, but y'all get the idea. I'm just filling this up. I just hate throwing plants away. So alright guys, I'm gonna do this and I'll be back.